Is this the tax office? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Is there going to be a tax foreclosure sale coming up?
Yes.
Can I get the list? Do y'all have any information on how if I was going to do a freedom of information request for properties that are tax delinquent, do you have the person that I would need to talk to about that?
Like, what do you mean?
The property tax, like if I wanted to know the last 3 years of the delinquent taxes, like if I wanted a list of the mailing addresses of the people who hadn't paid their taxes.
It's $20 and you fill out a form.
Okay.
And we'll mail you what it is.
Sweet. Can you print me a form? Awesome. Y'all pretty busy today? Are y'all pretty busy today?
Is this an only account? What's the first name of it?
Is there one August 1st? Awesome. Thank you. Is there a cost?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What y'all doing? I'm gonna use your computer.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Okay. So, I was incognito for a minute. Sorry for all the I'm gonna show y'all from the courthouse now. What I did here was I got a data request form, and there's a $20 fee for this. Okay, every county's different, and then I got the list of properties that are going to be on this tax sale. So if I do a quick rundown, I'm looking for very particular. Oh, here we are, right here. There's 18.75 acres right there for $20,000. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. Here's 10 acres. Okay, $8,800. All right, where we at? There's 7 acres for $4,400. Okay. And there's all kinds of stuff in here, you know, but we don't buy properties in town. When I see these big amounts like this, I know that it's most likely a house on it. Here we go. Something, a little something. There's a truck stop. Big B's truck stop. Got 260,000. All yours, babe. So keep looking. Now these are resales. All these are resales, which means that they didn't sell at a previous auction, and now somebody has requested they be put back on. So seems like there's a lot of interest in this auction. All right, so that's one half of the courthouse hustle. When you come to the courthouse, you always do that. The other part is pulling list. Okay, so we'll do a document search now. Y'all have to remember, I just came to all these courthouses and kind of taught myself. So every program is different. This one happens to be the Eagle. It's really easy compared to a bunch of them because some of them are so particular about what the form is, like what the abbreviation for the document that you're looking for. Okay, so we're doing a document search. We don't care about grantor, grantee. What we're going to do is we're going to filter. Okay, we're going to go to land records, and you see how we got all of these. So we got affidavit of heirship. You can go down to probate. I mean, let's do something exciting, right? I mean, we always do substitute trustee. Let's see if there's a probate in here. We got tax liens. So I don't see probate in here. Probate wouldn't be in the real property records. It would be, I don't even know what it would be. Well, anyways, so let's go. You can pull a bankrupt, or let's look up affidavit of heirship. Okay. So now we're only going to be looking up affidavit of heirships and we're going to go way back because I don't know how many people have done this. So we'll go back all the way to December. Nope, wrong button. Okay. And we'll search, and here we are. We got an affidavit of heirship. Now, I always look at these. I always look at the instrument number. I always look at the instrument number because if you sort it by instrument number, then you can see that they're all running. Okay, they're not the same instrument number, which means that they're not like sometimes you'll get multiple records for the same property, but the instrument number will all be the same. So, anyways, here we are. This is the all right. Depending on how old these are, and if the deed has been changed, see you have. This is all going to be one property. This is going to be one property. So what you would do is you would come look up these names on the county CAD because the property hasn't been swapped over to somebody else's name. So you would pull this on the county CAD and look it up from that way. So I'm going to take that one off. And I'm going to go to appointment of substitute trustee. And here we are. All right, so there you've got who the substitute trustee is. This is why I like it at the courthouse. I'll show you right here. So where's the date? Okay, so here's the most recent. These are going to be coming up on this foreclosure. So look at this. So we know it was the deed of trust was filed on 2009. We know that the amount, don't have the amount on there. So we just know that it's a 2009 deed of trust. So we know it's an older, let's see what's on the second page. Nada. The notary signature. So as you look through these, you'll see that that's a deed of trust from November 2016. So you know he doesn't have any equity. Okay. The amount was for $46,000. Now you can keep looking into this. See, this is a owner finance deal. So just, and I'm lost again. Old Kyle here. Okay. 2005 deed of trust. I like this one a lot better. We're looking at something that's 12 years old. It doesn't have the amount on it, but you can see their names there. And you would take these names right here and you would go look them up on the Hill County CAD. Now, I'm looking, I'm just kind of clicking around because I want to find one. This one's from 2010 and the original principal amounts was $78,000. It's a 7-year-old. You don't know what the interest rate is, but and they might have 10-12% equity if it was a FHA loan, which it should say somewhere on here if it is. It doesn't though. So anyways, and I just keep going through them because there's a 2007 deed of trust, and so I'll find 2013. But I'll just keep clicking through them. Like this one's 106,000. Y'all see that? And it's a 2016 deed of trust, so not much equity there. Here's a 52,000 2008. This one would be. This one kind of gets me a little bit excited. It makes me want to look up old Jerry's name on the CAD right now, find his address, and drive over to his house and leave him a FedEx folder. So this has been the entire courthouse hustle. I'll run you through how to do the document search one more time. What we're searching here is we go to filter and we're appointment of substitute trustee, which is the first step of the foreclosure process. This is real. You're getting a big jump on it because if you come look on the filter, I don't know if they've got foreclosure on here or not, or a trustee sale is what a lot of times it is. That you're not. So, anyways, this is an interesting one to search too. This public record right here is something. Anytime somebody gives a quitclaim deed, it's a family member. Okay, so quitclaim deeds often are handed over in divorces. So you can pull this quitclaim deed and this right here. You can pull quitclaim deeds and mark it to them, and it's a list that never gets hit because nobody sells the list. So you would have to pull yourself, and write them. But these are all going to be, these are all one family that's giving everybody. Signed the deed over to one person. So, it would take some time because you'd have to find they went to the deed of the living trust there. So you'd look it up over here, pull these people's names, and write them a letter. So, anyways, this is it. This is data request form, and Chris, to answer your question about why I don't pay somebody to do this, I'm actually driving to a rehab that I'm going to show y'all here in a second. That's all the way in Glen Rose. Hill County doesn't have their stuff online. This is the only way to come do it. And I'm already wasting time driving, so I'm passing right through here. I could have stopped and had some tacos, but instead, I appreciate y'all, and I'll holler at y'all later.